guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm doing an unboxing for my first pair of luxury shoes, and I'm really excited to see how over time what other shoes I'll get or see if they're even worth wearing. But anyways, starting off the bat is these bag for my shoes. They are Jimmy Choo's, which is a brand I'm not really familiar with because I've not bought any purses or other items from that brand. But yeah, now this is the box for the Jimmy Choo's. They are the Cash JC in white, silver, NAPPA leather and glitter, and this is the box for, I'm not sure if like every Jimmy Choo purchase or pair of shoes you buy, this is the exact box, but I did buy this at the outlets at the Jimmy Choo, and so yeah. I can see that they do have dust bags right here. Let me put this box on the side to show you the little dust bag it comes with. It comes with one singular dust bag, Jimmy Choo, for the shoes, and I love that. I love when they have little extra accessories, even though I'm most likely not going to use the dust bag. Yeah. And here is the tissue paper. It has Jimmy Choo all over the tissue paper, as you can see. And let's just open it. This is like a little present. They are really in there. And you can see the shoes that I got in the cash. So, showing you with the shoe that I got, they are these JC cash shoes, so Jimmy Choo shoes with glitter. And the reason why I decided to get with the silver glitter is because I do wear silver jewelry quite often, so I felt like this was the right choice to pick. There were other colors. They were pink, they were gold. The gold one was really nice, but I wear silver and I went to use these for work mostly. And it has like a little Jimmy Choo right there in the front, some laces. Beautiful shoe. Jimmy Choo in the back of the heel and like a little plated area, and then at the bottom, these, I found this is so cute. They remind me of like the Silver Goose shoes. I'm not sure if they have stars on the bottom, but just seeing those stars reminded me of those shoes, and I thought they were so cute. And also like plain white sneakers. I wear white sneakers all the time. White sneakers go with almost every single shoe. So yeah, this is one of the shoes, and let me take out the second shoe so you can see them together. And this is the second shoe. How they look together. The laces are quite a little short when I tried them on at the store, but that doesn't really bother me. And you can always swap out laces. But yeah, let me know your experience with luxury shoes, because I have heard some people say that they aren't worth the investment, and some people say they are, but I think it just depends on the person. I really want to purchase some Gucci sneakers because I had heard those are comfortable, and I don't really have any items from Gucci, so hopefully buy a pair of shoes and a purse next from their brand. Yeah, Jimmy Choo shoes. And I really want to get the heels next from their line. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.